Our learning outcomes are to understand the drivers of accountability, understand feedback options, and review the techniques outlined in the toolkit for challenging situations. How do you hold people accountable? Do you motivate people through fear or satisfaction? You really need to ask yourself this. Now let's talk about feedback conversations. There has been a shift from traditional end of year, boring, monotonous feedback to ongoing feedback conversations. And yes, does this mean you're going to have to spend a lot more time talking to and communicating with your employees? Yes, it does. But what it also means is you're going to get stuff done throughout the year. You're going to be less frustrated and they're going to be less frustrated, which is a win-win for everybody, but it is absolutely much more time consuming. These are the things that we don't really like so much. Improvement plans, formerly called performance improvement plans. I have changed them to just improvement plans. Why? Because I find most improvement plans actually are not performance-based. They're often behavior-based. Why do we want to document? We want to document because if you don't document, it didn't happen. We know that it happened, but we have no proof that it happened. So we want to document everything. And again, yes, I know this is time consuming, but we have the technology using smartphones that we could literally talk to text and talk to our phone and send the email to ourselves. And there we go. It's documented. Print out the email to give a copy to the employee. Whatever your company values are, add them to the job description and then use them in feedback sessions. Coming back to the annual review, again, there should be no surprises. No employee, and in fact, no manager should walk into an annual review meeting and be surprised with information. A suggested action plan as a takeaway is to conduct SWOT analysis with each employee,